So you are here at the exhibition of ECAL, the École Cantonale d'Art de Lausanne in Switzerland, and we have this here two exhibitions in the city in the same area at Via de l'Orso. One is called Too Cool for School and the other one is called Hot Tools. So we wanted to show two different proposals. One is a selection of different projects that we have been doing in school with the different departments. So we have product design, interaction design, photography, graphic design, and I think that's it. And then on the other exhibition, which is called Hot Tools, it's a research project on glass done with the students of the Master in Product Design, and also with Ronan Bourulec, the designer as a tutor, and Matteo Gonnet, the glassblower from Basel, who was there to work with the students. What we wanted was especially to be able to show the very good overview of what we are doing at schools, not just product design, but show also other students' projects. And it was important for us to show them as a whole and not separate them. I think that today all the different areas of design in a way are always very, very going on the same grounds. So there's a lot of cross-disciplinarity, and we have been doing that at school since a lot of time now, and it was also important for us to show it. So the idea then was how to mix everything, all that, in one exhibition, and we tried to, put also things in dialogue. So with photography together with product design to create maybe some links and show that it's not separated things at ECAL, but we also try to mix them and to link them in a very particular way. And we have two spaces here in the ground floor and downstairs where we also show some interaction design, which is something which we have been developing a lot of these recent years. The title, Too Cool for School is like an English expression saying, it's too good or don't worry about it. So it was also a way, like a hint to have the word school and cool together. So it was, again, say that we are a school and we try to do cool things, and also to attract, the young people to come and see us. And the other one is the other exhibition, as it's with glass and hot glass. And also the project was about designing tools to make glass pieces. Is called Hot Tools. So it's quite a chance, but also it's also quite nice thing to have these two titles fitting together in a quite nice way. So here it's a second exhibition called Hot Tools. So again, it's a project on glass, research on glass. We didn't want to create a new vase or a new bowl made out of glass, but more to have the students work on new ways to mold glass, to shape it. So we focused more on the tools themselves and less on the results. But of course, the results are always very important. And for that, we worked with Ronan Bourulec and also with Matteo Gonnet, who was a very good glassblower in Basel. And the students worked for 1 week to start with, and they developed already the first samples, and then we did a selection, and then after 1 month we did a second round in order to develop some of the objects and present them here in Milan. So as you can see here, it's different samples together, always with the molds which have been used to create the pieces. It was also very important to not just show the finished thing, but also show the material which was used or the molds. And we also have a very nice video which presents the different objects while in the making with the students which were there, Ronan Bourulec and also Matteo Gonnet, the glassblower. And now this is a first stage of the work, and we will. What we want is now push it on the next phase, and also try now to see what these objects can become. If they can become something more functional, or if they stay more as tests or sculptures in a way, we could say. And this was a project with a master's in product design. There were 17 students which started working on the project, and then we did a selection of these 8 projects which we took forward.